When you have a data set with a bunch of date timestamps, it can be really hard to analyze for one part of that. So maybe analyze by month or hour because there are so many discrete values. So if I have this and I want to answer, for example, what hour is the busiest, it seems really tricky. With just a few clicks, we can do this easily with pivot table date groups. So with a cell selected in my help ticket timestamps table, I'm going to click insert pivot table, insert to a new sheet, click create. For rows, I'm going to add that ticket timestamp value. And for values, I'm also going to add ticket timestamps as a count. So right now, probably is all ones down here because every time there's a discrete date timestamp, it's counting one. But I want to group these by hour. So to do that, I'm going to right click on a date or timestamp in the rows, column A, and choose create pivot date group and select to group by hour. And just like that, I have the answer. Busiest hour was 10 a.m. To learn more about how to work with date timestamps, check out this video and the link in the description.